What's good, Mogul Fam? And I am back with another banging banger. Sengibuyile bafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi bese kuyisikhathi eside ngigcinile ukwenza ivideo. Yeah, and ngithanda ukuxolisa kakhulu lapho. Ukuthi ziningi izinto engizenzayo besides nje ukufocusa kwi-YouTube channel. So namhlanje ngizokwenza i-video emayelana ne-explanation kahle kahle incazelo spread mase kuba ama-swaps, okay, ngiphinde futhi mase kuthi kokugcina-ke volatility hayi isingisi kodwa uyabona na ukuthi ikhuluma kani. So okokuqala nje into engifisa ukuthi ngiyichaze, isiyini i-spread? Yona into yokuqala le, i-spread kahle kahle kusuke i-transaction cost eyenzakalayo mawukuthi uyaqala uplace i-order lakho kwi-market. The moment ukubona ukuthi let me go kwi-demo so that ngizokutshengisa kahle lento. So sila kwi-demo manje and i-currency pair engiyisebenzisayo USD JPY. The moment manje njengoba ngizobe ngiplace i-order lami lizoba u-negative, meaning lizoba red automatically. Why? It's because of i-spread. So i-spread siyileyo nto echazwa ngokuthi i-transaction cost esuke yenzakalayo ngalesi sikhathi uplace i-order. But ngisazo-explainer futhi further. But-ke manje into engifuna ukuyenza ngifuna ukukhombisa lena. So let's say ngizobhaya, ngabhaya, yabo? The moment ngibhaya, let me go back ngale, yabo? Ukuthi kwenzakalani? Automatically ingena la ku-negative red. So yini eyenza ukuthi ingafuni ukuthi ngasikhathi ngingena iqale nje straight iye ku-blue but iqale iye ku-negative? Ile nto abayibiza ukuthi i-spread leso. I-spread kahle kahle senziwa ukuthi between these two lines, which is i-bid price ne-ask price, kune-difference lapho. Leyo difference leyo iyona abayibiza spread. So iyini-ke i-bid price? I-bid price it is i-price in which i-broker isuke i-willing ukuthenga kuyona i-currency. That is i-bid price. Mase kuba i-ask price. I-ask price it is whereby i-broker isuke i-willing to sell leyo currency. So whatever happens in between, that is your spread. Ake ngiyenze i-example. For instance, let's say we are at the bank, right? So it is at the bank. Okay, wait. We're at the bank, right? And then when at the bank, uphethe imali engayona eyala eSouth Africa. Mhlawumbe uphethe imali yakephi e-America, ngenze example. So the moment ufika ebank, leyo mali leyo oyiphethe ufuna ukuyi-exchange ukuze uthole amarandi, ibhenki lizofike lenzeni? Lizofike liyithenge leyo mali kuwena, but ngeke lize liyithenge ngale mali wena othole ngayo ngale, but lizoyithenga ngemali ephansi because nabo phela bafuna ukwenza i-profit. Bazoyithenga ngeprice, mhlampe let's say it was $10. Bona ngeke bathenge ngo-$10, bazothenga mhlampe ngo-$8, yabo? And then after that, ekubeni bathenge ngaleyo mali, then they gain u-$2. Then again futhi mase befuna futhi ukukudayisela, and let's say wena ufuna $10 again, bona bathi no, lo $10 singakudayisela ngo-$12, yabo. So that price in between iyona ispread sakho leso esisuke senzakala at that moment. It's the same principle-ke kwi-markets, yabo. It's the same principle, akuhluke ndawo, yabo. So that is how you need to understand ama-spread. Yeah, and then emva kwaloko okufanele ukwazi ukuthi kunama-2 types of ama-spread. Eyokuqala kufike kube khona i-fixed spread. I-fixed spread ilesi spread lesi esingashintshi, esihlezi nje sihleli kwi-price eyodwa, esingekho ekutheni sizolibele sihluka yabo, like mayelana nezimo ezisuke zenzeka kwi-market, sohlezi sisodwa. Masuwu-10 u-0, mhlampe let's say u-0,900 sohlezi u-0,900 whether i-market iyanyuka noma iyehla. Then mase kuthi kuba khona i-variable spread. I-variable spread ihambiswa ama-conditions e-markets. Ihambiswa yini? Ama-conditions e-markets. Mhlambe let's say kube nokulwisana kwelona kwe-Russia ntontoni, nayo iya-affect-eka i-spread sakho, kusho ukuthi sizoba sikhulu kakhulu, yabo. Mhlampe izinto zihamba kahle, kune-speech, iy'mali zinyukile, what, yabo. Like sihambiselana nama-conditions e-markets, i-spread esiyi-variable, but esi-fixed nje sihlezi si-constant, asishintshi ndawo. Okay, so ama-swaps, guys, ama-swaps, it's very simple. Ama-swaps are actually called ama-rollover, meaning ukuthi the moment utrade ama-currencies akho like o-NZD, yabo, njengoba ubona nje o-USD JPY, kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi uma wenza kodwa-ke lama-trade lawa amade for abantu abashaya ama-day trading or long-term trading. In the market-ke kuyenzeka ukuthi uma utrade ama-currencies whereby you would hold i-currency pair yakho or i-position yakho up until the next day. So wena njengoba usuku wenza i-currencies, njengoba usuke uyiyekile leyo trade leyo yaze yalala, yaze kwaze kwaba ingakusasa, leyo nto leyo osuke uyenza kahle kahle usuke usu-includeka kuma-swaps. Ama-swaps, it is whereby you get an interest over any currency pairs osuke wa-trade-ile uma ukuthi walalisile, uyabo. Uma ulalise nje i-trade kwaze kwaba ingakusasa ihleli kwi-market, you earn interest ngalokho. That is basically what swaps means. Ayikho-ke any better version of explaining this than what I've just said. Nje, it's a very straightforward answer. And then mase kuzoba khona-ke i-last topic, which is i-volatility. I-volatility-ke nakhona you don't have to overthink about it kakhulu, it's very straightforward. I-volatility kahle kahle isuke ichaza ukuthi i-market i-fluctuate kanjani. At times you will get ukuthi it's fluctuating very high, meaning ukuthi i-up and down like fast, yabo. That is a high moving volatility. Then mase ukuthi there are times whereby isuke i-fluctuates are very low, yabo. Very, very low, yabo, whereby isuke inganyakazi-ke kakhulu kwi-market. Lokho-ke kubandakanyiswa ukuthi kunama-influences enza lokho. Influences enza lokho ukuthi i-market i-low, i-fluctuates. Most of the time kuba yindaba economic data news iy'ndaba. Kuningi-ke okusuke sometimes even nalama-political influences whereby mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi kuyaliwa nebhomu or what tontoni yabo, like izona zinto ezenza ukuthi imakhethi igcine i-fluctuate. So akukho okuningi that you need to know about that except lama-explanations engivele ngiwachazile. Ngiyazi ukuthi-ke abekungekho ekutheni ne-clear graph or charts mayelana nazo zonke lezi zinto. Bear in mind, all these things are to explain kuphela ukuthi we-understand. But-ke sooner or later ngizokwazi ukuthi ngenze ama-visuals kahle nje without any rush or anything. But nje this is a video for lento le specific ebe-requestiwe. And then if ever ninamenye imibuzo or any other question concerning forex markets, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. On the road to 5K subscribers, let's push, guys, let's push, so that i-content izohlezi drop i-content, ngidrop i-content and for you guys, so that nizoba nolwazi, ngeke ukuthi abantu bedlale ngani. Straightforward, honest answers. So yeah, thank you so much. God bless you. Team Forex Moguls. Danko.